Hey guys, how are we doing tonight? Ooh, that was weird. So I did a thing today. I got myself a little VTuber avatar guy. So now I'm an anime guy. That's fun. Surprisingly easy to do, but I'm not talking about that today. What I do want to talk about is getting the cards moving from to and from the columns. So let's have a look at that. Get this out of the way. All right, so if we look at the current state, we can move cards to there, we can move cards to there, and everything's working pretty good. What the hell was that? Interesting. Was that a fluke? No. No. It seems to be. Seems I need a bit more error checking on card placement. Cool. Wonder why this one doesn't do it. What about here? Yeah, there too. Neat. Anyways, I want to try to get the cards to come back off now. Excuse me a sec. I'm gonna write down that little thing I found. Placement. Sorry, I'll show you what I'm doing. Need more placement. Error checking. Am able to place cards between columns. That'll be another day's project. Get that out of the way now. Cool. So let's get the cards to come back off the piles and the foundations. So in order to do that, we need let's just look at this. If lengthways pile is greater than 0, waste pile -1, set is clicked. POS and true. So that is a function of the card class. Which is a bit of a mess, honestly. If POS 0 is greater to or equal than the top X, and POS 0 is less than or equal to the top X plus the card width. So if the POS is within the top left corner and within the top right corner, and if the POS vertical is between the top and the bottom of the card, and if the card is face up and is not covered. So this is a lot. If all of those factors are true, then you print the card number suit has been clicked, set the click to click, print that it has been set to clicked. Okay, so I can use this function again, and we just look at if length of, hold on, we need to loop through all the columns. For call, oops, column in columns, and we don't need to loop through the columns, we just need to go if, pretty much just do the thing with the waste pile, if length of column is greater than 0, then called probably also want -1. We will see. Set is clicked POS true. Now, why are we specifying true? Clicked. We're specifying true because we can also use the same thing to set it as false. Which means on button up, oh dear, what is going on there? On button up for card in waste pile, if card is clicked, and if waste pile is greater than 2, or sorry, equal to 2, okay, this is yeah, this is drawing, doing the covers. Deal cards accept deal. For card in waste pile. I think if card is clicked, sometimes if card is clicked, card in waste pile, if card is clicked, because it's still in waste pile while it's on my mouse. What have I done here? Okay. So these are placing it onto the columns and or foundations. Man, this is getting messy. I really need to refactor this and clean it up. For card in waste file, if card is clicked. So I have to do basically the same thing. Oops. Over here, we're not dealing with covers, are we? Just with clicks. Oh, yes, we are. But it doesn't change it. It just checks if it's there. so hold on. Let's see something here. Okay, so it's clicking. That's cool. It's not moving, which is on mouse motion. If waste file is clicked, POS Pygame, mouse get POS, redraw all. Basically, I want to copy this and redo it, but with the column. For call and calls. Mouse button motion and length of waste pile equals greater than 0. If call, oops, -1 is clicked, POS diagram mouse redraw all if greater than 1 is greater than 1, then surface split. Okay, hold on. Mouse get POS, redraw all, move card, POS, waste pile, move card. What's that doing? That's the actual moving of the card. Okay, cool. POS, call, if length call, let's take this out for a second. I think I need this as well. And I need to do this. Oops. And put call here. Let's see what that does. All right. There, see? Oh, but my mouse button up isn't working. All right, cool. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right, cool. All right, so then I think that is all handled in the mouse button up. Yeah, it is. That's what the card placement's all for. Mouse button, not POS. Okay, so let's do for call in columns. The reason I used COL is it's easier to type, and I always forget how to spell columns. A little bit of honesty there for you. All right, anyways, if card is clicked. So I think with this one, I do need to go to the level of card as well. For card in column. If length of waste pile equals 2, then waste pile -2 is covered equals false. If length of waste pile is greater than 2, then switch the third and the second, and then do the placement. And this function needs to be changed because I'm using it for the columns as well. If length of col, and we copy, paste, 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 waste card placement, POS. Oh. And then here, okay, so all of this needs to be put into a function because I need to use this again for the columns. And then I'll need to use it again for the foundations because if I recall correctly, you can pull from the foundations. So this should be into a function called position check. Position check placement. POS position check. Yeah, I think so. Anyways, waste card placement, POS column 20. Because these are all checks, right? Yeah. Shoot. So I gotta turn that into a parameter as well. Because now I'm also using foundations and columns. Fun. So what do we call that? Pile? Generic term? I don't know. Pile. And piles are lists. And we take copy. Do you see any more? I don't see any more. Column is already. Okay, hold on. Because this can be destination. Whoops, don't capitalize that. What are you doing? Destination pile. From pile. From pile. Okay, let's do two pile. From pile. Piles all over the place. Okay. Now paste. Okay. Copy. Oop. Paste. All right. So that fixes that. Not yet. There. That fixes that. Now we got to go down. We're going to take. No, I don't need to do that. I'm going to go down here, card placement, copy. Yeah, this has to be turned into a function. Paste. Okay, now I need to from. So I need a from. So from is, in this case, the waste pile. Didn't foresee this much effort in this, but here we are. Okay. Ugh. Is that working? Yes, it is. Okay, good. So I just looked like my avatar wasn't doing anything. Alright, so that's all fixed up. Now this one is going to and from call. Keep doing that. Okay, so let's scratch this for a second and just make sure everything to do with this still works. Did I break it? No, it looks like I did not break it. Cool. Okay, re-enable that. Switch is covered, blah, blah, blah. So we are first checking the first column rather. This is, yeah, I could probably do the whole thing. So let's try that. Okay. Whoa, that's fun. That's a mouse issue. Okay, let's try another way. What? Oh, cool. I'm gonna need more checks. Mouse button up. Yeah. Call for column and calls. Is covered. Is covered. Yeah. Waste pile is covered. See, what I've done here worked, but I think it's because there's only one waste pile. Whereas here, I'm dealing with 7 columns. For column in calls, for card in calls, if column is covered, switch is covered, card placement, pure. Oh. Oh, interesting. This is the problem. Because yeah, we are dealing with seven columns. I don't have enough checks in place. Where's my mouse button down? Right there. So that part works fine. I think I just need to check for the is clicked. Card placement. And that's not checking, is it? No. Also, if switch is covered. For card in column. If card dot is clicked, I think that's all I have to do. Oh. Okay. It's an improvement? Well, that was neat. It's kind of an improvement. Okay, hold on. What's going on now? I haven't switched the is clicked back. Is there something in here that's switching it back? Yes. Set is clicked POS false. Thank you. And is that in the... No, it's outside of the if statement. Oh, fuck. There's a thing right there, too. If card is click, card set clicked POS false. You know, these two lines, if I had just paid more attention, are actually right there. Nah. Oh well. Whoop. There's the redraw. Interesting. What is it? Why did that? Okay, that's just a redraw issue. That's what that is. Because button down, placement switches covered waste pile. Deal cards. Mouse button motion. That's what this is. Redraw all. And then here it draws the waste pile. Is redraw not drawing the waste pile? That is correct. Huh. But using this line, we'll redraw the card beneath it. So I just have to change this. And again, like I keep saying, I just need to refactor all this. And maybe I should do that. Maybe it would make continuing on easier at this point. I think this is all drawing issues, but I think it's working. To an extent. Oh, weird. If I take this... What? Well, that's because it's here in my hand. Put it back. Ooh! Index out of range. If the length is greater than 1, then surface below 1, and that's in column calls. Why would it not? Why would it be index out of range? Because there was one there, and then I put a second one there. I'm just going to carry on. I don't want to think about that right now. Something else I want to do tonight as well. If length is greater than 1, if length of column is greater than 1. So you gotta fix this. This is I have to put that into the redraw all function. I think I have a draw stockpile? That doesn't seem right, and it's already there. Do I not have a draw waste pile function? Draw columns. Have card placement. No, I don't think I do. From pile. Waste pile this clip. Okay. Interesting. Basically, I want that. Deal cards. Yeah, see, there's one there too. Surface. If length is covered, This is another one that I really want to clean up because goddamn, look at this mess. Def draw waste pile. I'm gonna pass amount. And that'll be an int. Oops. This isn't going to return anything. Paste. Waste pile is greater than 1. And we do amount. Because that way I can use it in more places, right? And actually, take that out of there. That should be here. Ugh. Here's to hoping. Okay, so then I don't know why, but I like 2 spaces between my functions. I don't know if that's a thing or if that's just something I started doing. Why is this yellow? Special variables. Redraw all, okay. What is special variables? Hey. Meh. Oh, I think that's because that's where the error was. Brain's fogging over. Okay. Boop. Okay. Boop. Boop. Hey. This is looking pretty good. Still having some draw functionality issues there. Oh. 5 is clicked. 2 is clicked. Okay, well. Neat. So that's the ace. If we move that. Oh, I'm an idiot. I've only done the I've only done the placement code for column 0. Right? That's why. Why is there 5 there? That shouldn't be pulling the next card. Okay, so I think it's actually working, and I need to do the rest of the columns. But then I also see we have weirdnesses over here, but whatever. Okay, so let's do the rest of the columns, and we should be able to call it a night. Today's project done. We say that. So let's turn this into a reusable function. And this is what, like placement checks or something, card placement. It goes before that one. Def. I like placement checks. Bunch of things to pass to it. Paste. Yikes. Boop, 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 boop. Boop. Okay, so I'm gonna need POS. And that's a tuple. And of ints. Although maybe this isn't how you do it. Hold on, let me check. I only recently learned that you can specify your type hintings further. Python type hinting. Here you may as well see. Name string, yeah, text aligned true if blah 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 blah. String bool, yeah, default value. Tuple. Type heading and annotations. Let's try this one. Annotations. I want to look at this. Num1, 2, yeah, I don't want nums though, I want tuples. That's why I came here. Int, float, dict, bool. List. Explanation of the code above shows you should refer to the typing module from typing. String. So I actually need this to do that. Control. Well, I might later. I don't know. We'll just leave it for now. And we'll go back down here. Further. POS. Tuple. Bracket. And there it's whoop. Function string int. You know, I think. Oh, capital T. It's still not green though. I wonder if it's supposed to be. I think what I'll do is just leave it as basic tuple for now and figure it out another time. Because we need to get to work. So we need the to pile. No, that's the from pile. No, I was right. To pile. To pile from pile. To pile. That's a list. Don't need the int. Also list. These ints should be variables in a setting file later on so that we can do screen adjustments, but for now I've just hard coded them. Just so we do. No, the to pile isn't. We don't need the to pile. We just need the from pile. We just need to know where it's coming from and the position. copy. Oh, and we need the card. Paste. Or we don't need the card. Cut. Because the card is in the... Put the card right here. And that is on the wrong one. There. Card placement. So we go placement X, and we go POS, and we go from pile, which in this case is call, and we do the same thing here. Placement. My fingers don't know what they're doing anymore. POS. And the from pile here is the waste pile. Woohoo! Then we can, whoop. Yeah, that's fine. Clean this up a little bit. Save and give it a try. All right, does this still work? Yes, yes, this still works. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Oh, I even have some flipping, which I shouldn't have because I haven't programmed that. At least not intentionally. What? Where'd my king go? The king's gone. The king's like, fuck this, I'm out of here. Oh, what happens if I... Oh, yeah. Neat. Oh, didn't like that. But that worked. But I think I got 2. So there's a lot more, like, checks and shit I gotta do. But we're getting there. The columns are moving now. How cool is that? I don't know why these cards are flipping. They shouldn't be flipping. Okay. Whoops. No, that was, yeah. So I need rules to what cards can go where. I think we'll do that next. Need more placement error checking. Yes, we do. Why are cards flipping? Cards flipping. Make cards flip. Make cards flip. Properly. What else? More placement error checking. What happened? I think, oh. Weird. Yeah, I definitely gotta do more error checking. Jeez Louise. Why are you flipping those cards? Oh, and I can't pull it off the foundation yet. Well, okay. Foundation cards, foundation cards. Need to check if that's even a thing. I can't remember if Solitaire lets you do that or not. Allowable thing. anyways, yeah, that's that then. Thanks for coming along for that ride. That was fun. And I'm gonna reset and do a game stream too tonight. So I'll be back in a little bit. Ciao for now, guys.